How to create a form using Forms for Excel. So in this video, we're going to show you how to create a Microsoft form directly inside Excel online using the Forms for Excel framework. This deployment method creates a persistent cloud hook, ensuring that every survey response is fed instantly to a live, real-time updated spreadsheet without making you run manual data exports. Alright guys, also don't forget, you saw me open the Excel for Windows. You actually need to use Excel Web for all of this stuff to work. So just close down your desktop application and open up the web version of Excel. So right, when you're here, just move your cursor up to the main application ribbon and click on the Insert tab right here. Then look forward the center of the utility tools and left click on the Forms drop-down right over here. And then choose New Form. And your browser will instantly spin up a secure background bridge tool and load a fresh Microsoft Forms Workspace Design tab, automatically titling the new form canvas layer to match your parent spreadsheet file name. Right, let's open the form. And you can click Add New to input your styles, whether you need a standard choice blocks, text fields, or chronological date selectors. So yeah, you just choose a choice. And every time you type a new question field box, the linked Excel spreadsheet web browser immediately generates a matching high contrast column header, a row in the background. So you can just go ahead and click the preview icon to run a sample submission entry. But in general, guys, just keep in mind and pay attention so that, as you can see, we have now book 2 in my case. And as you can see in here, it's also book 2 so that it's fully synchronized. Because if the name is different, that means it's not synchronized. And your data ingestion pipelines are now fully linked up, self-sorting, and ready for clean automated reporting. That is it. Enjoy the video, guys, as always, and see you soon.